Let's go see if there's any cool cars around. Ooh, I see a dope S2K already. Look at that thing. Woo! Oh, there's a line of them. Dude, look at this thing though. Did a burnout. I smell it. Yeah, left hand. We got the roof rack. We got the roof rack on the Accord. Oh, clean Evo. Oh, that MK. The booties. Oh my God, that's it because no bumper. Doesn't look too bad. Yeah.
Costume contests, we have all type of things. So don't believe the hype per se, you know, when you hear silly stuff. Judge the event by their actions, and it is fact today. You know what? A great man once said, a great promoter says, you know what? You don't need your friends to support you. You need to produce something great enough that your haters may come in.
Vroom, vroom.
Sticky them tires are? Charger a little while ago, going about 24 miles an hour. The first Hellcat Challenger of the evening over there on the right side. One of the bracket style Camaro.
much because that's all the food I have for tonight. I'm not paying this. Alright, that's fine. I should have brought the other package.
Actually, I'm taking this.
What?
I like the bed parts.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Things got slicks on it. I don't know. Whoa, I almost slid. You heard that?
I think one of them has a note. Oh no, that was the last bit.
Come on, Sachin! Yeah, buddy.
Pretty much even to the 8 mile when the Camaro takes over.
Woo!
For 1522.
That wasn't too bad.
Two Hellcats pulled in line right in front of Sachin.
In that line or like in here
No,
line?
like get inside. His trunk's like empty, so Kate, being the big mouth that she is,
I asked him
has to talk to everybody. She goes, "How do you keep your trunk so empty?" He's like, "It's brand new." And here he is beating the balls off.
That thing sounds sick. Look at them walking around with fucking hookahs. Who the fuck does that? Who does that? Ah, he broke it. That's another broken one. Come on. Another broken fast one. Look, that one's still getting towed.
Broken axle.
Yeah, I watched it. I watched the wheel jerk.
They went to jump and then did nothing.
Damn. And it sounded good. I've never been so depressed.
I wanted to see that boogie.
Dude, I've never been so depressed about Honda's braking.
Beautiful color, about 1980 Corolla. That's right, I know what that is. It's actually a
I'm trying to buy this one for $700.
I think so. So, hey,
That thing's fucked.
Snapchat.
Really not.
I mean, it's just like short.
But for $700.
Instagram it. Trust.
How many miles?
It might be.
This kid Josh I know told me it was worth that all day. I could have actually bought it and flipped it for $1,200 to wait and see. That's a fucking neon.
I know. That is badass. Who builds neons?
Remember that one that used to run around South Brunswick, the orange one?
No.
Or were you too young for that? You used to live right off of New Road.
Dude, there used to be an R32 Skyline. Oh my god! Holy shit! Dude, that was a 10-second neon. Alright guys, so we're going down the track to watch my buddy run his Camaro again. Ugh. But we're going to get a better angle. So let's go in here. Alright, no people. Oh, okay, there's no people. Let's see how far down the track we are. Oh, good distance. Let's keep going. Up the ramp. And we here. There he is, going up to the line. Come on, Sachi! let's hear him at peak power. Loud cars everywhere. There he goes. Sachin! Alright, what's he run? 13.3. Hey, not bad, dude. All it's got is an axle back exhaust. Oh, look. Another broken Honda. You see that? 3 times a day. Oh, ripping! Oh, look, there's another IS300. There you go, Zach. Said my buddy's got one. He like fell in love with one, finally got one. It's automatic. It's alright, still a 2J under the hood. Sitting on this bike sucks. I'm standing up. Alright, so let's go back to my truck now so we can grab my phone and try to find my brother. Okay, I'm gonna have to go down this. I'm just gonna have to go down the line and see like who's coming in. Let me. It's Bay. Look at you. Fuck this truck. JK, I love this truck. I love it even more now though, because look at this. Let me move the shirt real quick. Oh, dude, bumping tunes. All right, let's call him, see where he's at. Well, called my brother. He left, so I guess I'm just here by myself now. So let's cruise around. I'm taking my phone this time. Take my phone, put that shit in my pocket. All right. So what do I kind of want to cruise down the line to get in and see how long it is. Let's see if we can peep any. Actually, leave my vape in here. Hit that shit real quick. Yeah, nah, we're gonna go down the line, check out what kind of whips are coming in. Actually, I'm not charging my phone, so let's plug in this GoPro charger. Charge that last battery. Is it charging? There we go, red light. Lock the door. All right, let's go explore the line, see who's coming in, see what kind of whips they bringing. Oh, through the fence. Whoa. All right, let's go. Oh, I forgot my ticket. Need that if I want to get back in. Alright, so I thought about what I was doing for a minute, and I realized that I was going to ride my bike down the entrance road. There's a Ferrari. Down the entrance road, and I was going to come back and leave. So why would I go down the entrance road on my bike when I could just drive my truck? Good time to be alive! Actually, where's... Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for the bass? Oh yeah! Yeah, it's loud as fuck. Look at it. Yeah, it's sick. Alright, I'll go back when we're starting to pull out. This is the line to get in. We're inside the gate already, so it's 9:30. I've been here since about like 5 o'clock when they opened the gates. But oh my God, there are so many cars. Just look at them.
So look at them. Oh my God. All trying to get in. All they want to do.
You're a lost cause back there, dude. Holy shit. I didn't think the line was that long.
We're still going. Jesus. And there we are. That's the last of them.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I've never done anything like this kind of vlog shit before. But I'm doing YouTube to have a bunch of memories when I get older, show my kids or some baloney shit like that. I should go left, right, left. Oh, I'm totally going right or left. Oh, look at the line of cars coming. Yeah, but I'm trying to keep on doing this, whether it be the next event I go to at Raceway Park, which is my local track, drag strip, motocross park, drift track, drift track. But next time it should be going Sunday to the motocross track, so I'll try to do a video there. I might be riding, but don't quote me on that because I'm still hurt and I'm broke. So yeah. All right, guys, I'll catch you later. Here's a quick pull in my little 2.3 liter pickup truck. I'm not sure if you can see this, but holy shit, this road must have just got torn up because holy fuck, it's rough. I was about to do a pull too, man. Oh my god, that would have been so bad. Alright, we're making this turn. Still unpaved? No, alright, no, we're back to paved. So, let's go. Slow as hell. Gotta turn up. Alright, tell y'all.